Welcome to Tianjin Mike Heavy Industry Company Limited, a premier manufacturer of heavy machinery based in Tianjin, China. The registered capital is 18 million Chinese yuan. We integrate R&D precision manufacturing and global sales to deliver high-performance industrial equipment. From raw material processing to final assembly, our facility houses specialized workshops, including CNC machining, welding, spray coating, and structural fabrication for seamless quality control. Equipped with 3 CNC cutting systems, 26 precision CNC machines, and 200-plus industrial devices, we ensure high accuracy, durability, and efficiency in every product. Serving clients worldwide, we combine advanced engineering with competitive pricing, making us a preferred partner in heavy machinery. As a technologically innovative enterprise, Tianjin Mike Heavy Industry has always been committed to technological innovation and product R&D. The company possesses a professional R&D team that continuously introduces new technologies and processes to drive product upgrades and improve market competitiveness. Meanwhile, the company actively fulfills its social responsibilities, focusing on environmental protection and sustainable development, and strives to achieve green production. After continuous research and innovation, the company's R&D team has formed a large, medium, and small series of trimmers with different functions and different uses. At present, the products on sale are self-propelled trimmers, caterpillar trimmers, truck trimmers, new energy trimmers, and more than 10 spot models. We stand by our 4 first-class principle: first-class technology, first-class products, first-class quality, first-class service. At Tianjin Mike Heavy Industry, we don't just build machines, we build long-term success for our partners. Contact us today and experience industrial excellence.